Welcome to tutorial number, I think it's 3. And what we're going to be doing in this tutorial is building this circuit. And what you can see in front of you is an Arduino Nano. And we're hooking up to digital pin 12, and we're just going to have a flashing LED set up a little bit differently to the way that we set it up with the Uno, but the concepts are there. So let's have a look. We're going to program digital pin 12 to send out positive 5 volts across here, across our jumper lead, and then up through the LED. It's going to flash down through the resistor and back down up to the ground. We don't actually need this in there, so I'm just going to delete that out. We don't need 5 volts down there because we're getting 5 volts out of here. Okay, so let's set this this up, and I'm going to go to here and show you the components that we're going to be using. And you can see I've got my Arduino Nano beautifully put in. You just need to push it in as that diagram said. And if you want to know where this flashing LED, the flashing LED, where is it? Just here, diagram is, you'll find it in your OneNote. And so here we go. Okay, let's have a look at the different components. Well, we've got just here, you can see we've got an LED. Now let's have a look at the LED. You've got 2 different legs on it. You've got a long leg and you've got a short leg. Now that means that this is a polarized component. That means it has to go into the breadboard or into a circuit a certain way. Now the long leg, you can see there, is the positive part, so that always has to go to your positive volts. The short leg is your negative. Now the long leg is called your anode and your short leg is called your cathode. So why don't we just have a look at our diagram here and work out where it goes. Right, here we go. There it is. So it goes in there with the resistor going down. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to pop it in here with the long leg facing downwards into our board. Okay, next thing I'm going to take a resistor. Now resistors have got really long legs, as you can see, so I'm going to manage those by snippoing them down about 2/3. I'm going to snip off, and where I'm going to put that in is right here, and that's going down to my ground rail. All right, let's have a look. See, can you see that okay? Wonderful. Okay, now I'm going to use some jumpers. And I'm going to put that into digital pin 12. So you've got your digital pin here. I'll just show you digital pin 12, and that will go to that rail. And I'm going to pop that in the back here, which is going to go to the anode, the longer leg of my LED. So just having a look once again, going back. I've actually got that going up the front, so I'll just change that around a little bit just so it replicates exactly what I'm doing with that diagram on my drawing. Let's go back. Okay, I've just changed that around. And the last thing I need to do is I'm going to find a black jumper over here. And I'm going to put that from the ground rail just there. And I'm going to put that into my negative ground rail there, and that should be the diagram. That should be the diagram perfectly. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to plug this in. So I need one of these guys. All right, so let me just reduce that down. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop that into my Arduino. And I'm going to pull out my mouse and I'm going to plug it in, and we should get some lights sort of going on it there, as you can actually see. Just move this around a bit, and we're going to start the process of programming. So I'm just going to reduce this down, and I'm going to go back into Tinker. I'm going to rearrange this. I'm going to change this to pin 12. And I'm going to set this to pin 12 because I'm actually coming off pin 12. And I'm going to select here, it says download code. And I say thank you very much. Now, you should have loaded the Arduino software. So from there we can just select and go open. And we just wait for the Arduino software to load, giving it some generous time to load. And there's a few things that we need to do before we actually get this software to load. But while this is loading, I'm just going to pause the video because it might take a little while. First time up. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is go to Tools and make sure that the Arduino Nano on the board is selected, and the port, I'm actually choosing a port which is COM port 6. So I'll do that again. It's making sure the Nano is there and the COM port 6 is done, and then I just select this one to upload. You can see down here that it's uploading, it's thinking, it's saying I like this, I think I like it, I think I like it, and it says over here uploading done. Let's go back to the diagram here and let's see what's, oh my goodness, it's a miracle. We have an LED light flashing. Mr. Gill, get your hand out. Okay, so you can see, isn't that amazing? We've got an LED light to flash. All right, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you got confused, then just go backwards and forwards and go through it a number of times. Hopefully that helped. All right, hasta la vista.